Using a tape measure just got easier with the introduction of the eTape 16. It solves a problem virtually everyone has, measuring mistakes, and it's actually educational and fun to use. The eTape 16 takes the human error out of measuring by giving you an accurate digital measurement every time, with the ability to recall your measurements at any time. As you lengthen the tape measure blade, you immediately see why eTape 16 is different and not your ordinary tape measure. It takes the guesswork out of measuring. With a large digital display, one can see and read the measurement clearly. With the touch of the inch-centimeter button, it allows you to read the measurement displayed in inches, feet, fractions, decimals, and even converts from standard to metric and back. Not only does it measure easily and accurately, but it has several other useful functions. When taking a measurement, you can use the standard blade lock or use the digital hold button. The large display makes your measurement easy to use and easy to remember and recall with the touch of a button. The inside-outside function allows you to measure to the front of the tape measure or to the back and calculates the extra width. No more needing to bend your blade when backed into a corner. When you need to hang a picture or find the center of a measurement, press this center line button and it will calculate it for you. Whenever someone sees the eTape digital tape measure for the first time, their initial reactions are, "That is cool! It makes total sense and I want one!" Thus, the digital tape measure was born. Since its origin, the eTape has proven useful in a multitude of settings. The eTape 16 is a unique and durable tool that provides data in a more simple, reliable, and accurate way. For any job, whether at home or work, the rugged and durable eTape 16 digital tape measure will ensure your measurements are accurate every time. Here's to measuring once and cutting once. Until next time.
Meet Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Tile Slim is as thin as 2 credit cards, which makes it perfect for wallets, pockets, and passports. Attach it to anything. Choose a ringtone with the Tile app. And then rest easy, knowing you can always find your things. Just ring your laptop and find it fast. If it's your phone that you're looking for, press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even when on silent. And if you lose your wallet and it isn't where you last had it, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified when your wallet is found. And when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing wallet, the Tile app will notify you of its most recent location. Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Get Tile Slim today and never worry about losing your wallet again. Tile. Find what matters.
Play Game of Thrones. Jump ahead 2 minutes. Search for romantic comedies.
Find Deadpool.
I'm hungry. Domino's. Place my easy order. Open, watch ESPN.
Second down and 8. Here comes the snap. Brendan Reed
Okay.
hands it off to Johnson. Johnson finds it.
Play my dance party playlist.
Life is full of amazing moments. From the everyday to the extraordinary, you capture it all on your phone. But now you can own those moments with Print, the first ever photo printing case for your phone. Just connect the case to your phone and get quality photo prints anytime, anywhere. But there's more. Hand the photos to your friends and they can scan them and bring them to life. Every print is like a key to that memory.
Wait, what? That's so crazy.
And you'll love decorating your life with these magical photos. Print uses ink-free, peel and stick paper that will make you the life of any party. Own the moment with Print, the instant photo printer that brings your memories to life.
You